Unong yalam kalian persya hagin dorbat hawan gejala Dr. Mukul Sangma bederu menteri ramba barim gejala mula badru ya ka menteri pelapisa hak gejala ong ba kane kejing penkela ya garukom bay pisa hak biadai berkaskim belas spasngi kamdai ba ka ta tang ya gejala meklia henry ya baro gejala hanot is wat ya gejala asam ro kumju unong yalam kalian persya hagin dorbat hawan gejala haba jubab ek jingkeli hagaj fotori kala lengkot arjar hunru hak je kendo bagi nong thok khubor hasilang pros club loong ba nam ta ki to gjelak babon ge jingmi kanom don gano gano ge jingta henrei haba phai sha ke jela mekhlia kan ta ba bat kane kam dei ta ke jela mekhlia henrei yak thain ste lami ngi bro khoi u doktor mukul loong haba ka sokar preng haba kawan ra ya gano gano ga skim ke bathmai ka haba na pe na baro kiliang namar omboro kijela kilong kumju haka yok kot lane haba ka soga preng ka penkela ya gano gano ka skim kebladon syak wai pat ka haban pe ba ka jingmentoy kan long ya baro ulong na kata kadau man ka por bagi kren ka soga preng haba ya dei bar ka jing bei pisai ka skim khamtam nagamta ka jela ga ne ka thain stela mi ka soga preng ga habanda suthu namar ba kijela kidei kbarduna ka jingmi kane ka jingkran jong Dr. Mukul kalong hak bedei berkas kim Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Guaranteed Act kabala tip kum kabala spasngi kabala bei pisa 6% na ka sarkar pedeng ya kabala penkela syaka Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar Ajnabi Mission Gramin Act 8,000% kaba ka jingbei pisa kanlong khandai persen na ka sarkar pedeng bat 10% na ka sarkar jela kane kan kata ya kan dong satei laming I baro kawai long.
See, some states are flush with money, they have lots of revenue. In fact, the nation, the whole economy of the country is dependent on the states. Because if the state's overall performance is good, investment is, showing any positive sign, and economy is vibrant, so cumulative benefit of the economic growth of the states as unit ultimately is the benefit which is accrued to the national exchequer. You got my point? So therefore, we have always maintained that any such kind of initiative which is embarked upon by the Government of India in respect of the responsibility of funding those schemes are concerned, it must be designed in such a way that some states, like the states from Northeast, we cannot be considered as the state who are flush with our own resources of fund. So it may not have any impact on some of the states, like states which are flush with money, who are capable of contributing to the vibrant national economy, like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, but then other states will have trouble. So therefore, the union government must take cognizance of those concerns. Any initiative of a new program or any continuation of new program in a new form, this is important. And unless that is done, the states which are trying to maintain the pace of growth and development with the rest of the country, we are trying to reach the same level of pace of growth and prosperity with other states. Lest, if this is not understood by Government of India, we will again have tough time in somehow reaching that level of developmental stage which other states have already been able to achieve. Therefore, we must be able to keep pace with the kind of pace of development, progress and prosperity with the rest of the states, with the rest of the countries. That's what I'm saying. It will affect not only Meghalaya, it will affect Nagaland, it will affect Mizoram, it will affect Manipur, even Assam. Assam is not such a state which can be, considered as one of the prosperous states of the country. But there are states which are considered as prosperous. They are those states from where maximum revenues get accrued to the national exchequer.